Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Bamboo Touch CTL whatever bamboo styles to get it running on Linux CentOS. I think if you are running Linux CentOS normally with the kernel of 2 plus, it won't work. You need to update it to 3.5 kernel and it will work. So what is the best website for you to get it to work on that? This is the kernel that I update from. See, text mean whatever, I have bookmarked that. You don't need to install it, the driver from like SourceForge or anything. All you have to do is to just upgrade it, follow all the instructions, plug your tablet there, the Bamboo Touch or the Bamboo Pen. I'm using the Bamboo Pen, CTL 470Ks with the serial number or whatever. It's the Bamboo Pen. It doesn't work at all. It did not work at all before with the kernel 2 plus, but when I updated to upgrade it to kernel 3.5, reboot the system, and when it come back up, it just running perfectly with all the press button and everything is working fine. So let me show you with my pane. This is my pane. When I press low, you see it's getting low. When I press harder, it's become harder. So you know what I mean, right? So to prove the concept further, I'm going to install all the Autodesk family products, and I'm pretty sure it's working fine. So this is now, let me install Matchbox first, because Matchbox 2014 is awesome with many things. It is not the best. It is not the best. One of the It doesn't have a lot of feature like ZBrush, but at least it is enough for me. So this is the crack that I have been working on. This is the crack that I download, but I have written a lot of things on how to get it to work. So this is the system that you will need to check. It's very simple and it's very easy. So the first thing you need to do, you must not right click here. It will cause you a lot of problems. So all you have to do is to change directory to the folder of your Matchbox where it stay, and then you do the tar azvf, right, my friend. I choose CentOS or Stella OS in this case, which is a rip-off of CentOS, because it is much more stable and robust. I mean, all the Red Hat family a little bit much more robust and stable. Ubuntu is great, but it has a lot of things that I don't want to mess around. I want to spend a lot of time digging out how to install things. And also, development is so fast, so I'm afraid that when I upgrade something, it will break. Right, so I prefer something that is stable. Right, so when you do that, press enter, it will extract everything. You see there's a lot of mess right here soon. So all you need to do is to just run this command to set up your installation, yeah, and then continue, accept. I do believe this one is the same, and I'm afraid I don't know about serial numbers, somewhere around like I do believe it should be like 498 F1 EF, yeah. I think so, it should be that. Let me come to this crack display. I don't know what it is. It should be F series, right? Because C B E F, yeah, it should be F. Install. And what do we have to do next? I'm still looking for. This is the mark crack, whatever. So done. All I have to do is to copy this, lib admin with the download from internet into the lib folder. I drag here, so into Autodesk in this lib folder. So I gave it right permission to that folder, and then I paste, replace the old one. Lib admin 051, this one. You won't allow me to do that, so I delete you and I paste you in, and I extract this permission. Even though you replace that, it still won't work. You need to do one little thing, my friend. Here's in my crack folder, I have this Matchbox crack. Simply, it is just the old style that a lot of people are using for Linux crack. You just Everything is exactly the same. You just change. It's based on the version numbers. In this case, I change it to Matbox 2014 with this F1 and drop. Copy the command. You paste it right here and you press enter. Invalid number. Try it again. I don't know. Let's try graphic. See if it works or not. Yeah, you have to click agree and boom, baby, it's working. Press OK. Right, so this is stop up, highlights what is new, right? So 1 minute movie, I don't need that, and I don't need to edit it, so let me just click on this bool and start spinning. It is working. Oh, I'm sorry about this because I have not installed NVIDIA graphic driver yet, so it's let me check the system. Not yet. I will show you how to install NVIDIA driver later. So that's why it's like this. It's like this. Let me shift A and let me try with the NVIDIA graphic driver. Okay, so if I press stronger, yeah, you see, and softer. Oh, even though without NVIDIA graphic driver, it's still working. My webcam is working perfectly when I press stronger. Right, that is what I actually want. So, folks, hope you like it. And the next movie will be on how to install NVIDIA driver. In this case, I'm using NVIDIA proprietary software from NVIDIA driver because I find that it is faster, much better than the Nouveau one. I'm using this one. I do believe it is the latest one. Let me check the internet first if it is the latest one or not. Anyway, I like to use wacom driver than mouse because I find that it make my hand easier. At least my finger or my elbow is not locked to a certain place. So I choose Quadro. I'm using Quadro Theory. Right, I don't have much money, so I use only Quadro 600 with Linux 64-bit and long live driver, whatever. If it is oh my friend, now it's come to 19.17. It's certified, so I download that one, and then I will see you next time, next video on how to install this on Linux. Good luck, guys. Okay, folks, as promised, today I'm going to show you how to install NVIDIA driver on CentOS using the proprietary software from NVIDIA driver. So also, I would like to take this opportunity to tell you how I use GTK to record my desktop to record my stuff. I don't need to use jack audio connection kit or whatever. All I have to do is to, I mean, a lot of people are having a lot of problem with sound or audio or anything. You just click the add one tape and change it to the folder that you actually want. Reduce the frame rate from 15 to 10 and everything will be working fine. The audio will not be lag or anything. I mean, it will be synchronized with the video. So in order to install NVIDIA driver, I need to first give permissions to this executable permission, and then I'm not the best guy to do all this, but I have downloaded it from a website. He is the clever one. It's Peter Block. He showed how to install NVIDIA driver on both Fedora, CentOS, and Red Hat. Fedora is a little bit, this is for Fedora, but for CentOS it's a little bit different. So all I have to do is to just follow his instruction. The first one is yum update, and then yum install. Since I already updated, gcc kernel devel. I'm pretty sure it has everything done. So the next step is to copy this command, right? You copy them. I don't think PDF is working fine for me. I have it somewhere in just this. Make it easier for me. So right. So you copy this and then Control-Shift-V and let it run. And then you need to move this one. Move the boot file. Copy and write. Oh, one thing, why do I have to do that? The reason is because if you're installing NVIDIA driver before you are installing kernel 3.5, you will have kernel panics. It doesn't work. Your system will not be booting up into kernel 3.5. It will be just hanging around out there. It doesn't work. So you have to make sure that you update the system first after your fresh installation. Update everything, update the kernel, and then you upgrade to kernel 3.5. And after everything is upgraded, it is important for you to install NVIDIA driver later on, otherwise you will have kernel panics. I have not yet tested with the latest NVIDIA driver we have just downloaded, especially this one, the NVIDIA driver whatever, right, 64 3.19.17 or whatever. I have not tested with that yet, but I'm pretty sure it still has a problem. Everything is done now. I need to follow the instruction. Copy. And yep, I remove it. And next step is I have to reboot. So folks, when I reboot it, I need to record the video with my Lumia 920. Oh, cool! I like it. At least I forgot to show you one thing. When I reboot the system, I forget to change the run level, so the system is coming back to a super stupid resolution. So now I'm going to show you again, and then I will record it with my Lumia 920. Okay, so how can we do that? You need to change this command. Okay, insert, change it to 3, and then you press escape to remove. First you need to insert so that you can edit it. After you edit it, you press escape, and then you press shift semicolons and WQ to leave it, and then you can reboot. My friend, I need to record it with the cameras again just to show you. Okay, and then reboot, and then reboot. Yeah, I'm using the keyboard for now, but at night I use this backlit keyboard of the Costa, whatever, this kind of logo, right, with this dragon logo or whatever. Yeah, this one. Yeah, you know that. It's a little bit difficult to see it in the daylight, so human anatomy. Right, this is my bamboo, which I told you it's working fine. Bamboo pen CTO 470, and I'm recording with Lumia 920. Now it's booting, so all you have to do is to, oops, sorry, I need to look at it and typing. I'm sorry for that. And then my password, you don't need to see that, it's not important. And then I give it a super user command. And then my password again. Oops, sorry. I'm not a Linux expert. I'm just a noob. So now I become a root. So all I have to do is change directly to where the NVIDIA driver has lived. So I change it to, it's in the desktop in this case, CD home, and then my name, and then, oops, what is that? And then desktop, and then I list it. I list because I don't know what it is. Ooh, there's a lot. All I'm looking for is the NVIDIA right here. You see the NVIDIA here. So all I have to do is to press SH, and then sorry, I have to press cap lock. NVIDIA's dash Linux. You have to write exactly the same name. x86. It's underscore my friend 64 dash 319 years 0.17 dot run. Right, so sh Nvidia the answer. Before you can actually do that, you need to go write permission. You need to do this first, just in case. Plus x, you write permission to that first. Oh, it's okay now. So next is sh, and then that one. Make sure that you don't have any space between that. And you press enter, and it's running. All you have to do is to accept. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and you should be good to go. Okay, install Nvidia 32-bit compatibility, yes, and then it will ask you to back up the older system. Sorry, my nephew is crying. Okay, and then yes, and it's done. Basically done. So what do you have to do next when it's done? It is important. I think it is important for you to connect to the internet, just in case it missed some lips or whatever. So restart X, yes. Okay. To reboot the system back, you need to type the same command: vi etc init tab, right? Just like I did earlier. And then you come down here to where you changed before. Press insert, change that to 5, press escape to leave it, and then press shift semicolons. You see that? And then you press WQ, boom baby, and then you restart. There you go. You have successfully, what did I type? No, not restart, it's reboot, I'm sorry. Okay. You have successfully. So folks, as you expected, now the system is already rebooted, and you take a look at Nvidia driver. It's working. I need to always perform this action. No need. Let me delete because I have a video recorded on my Nvidia driver. So okay, it seems to be stuck now. Why it's stuck? Okay. Yeah, that MP4, it's the video that I was recording earlier. So now it's working, and let me try my back just to prove it, if it's working or not. It was lagging before, but I'm pretty sure this time it's not lagging. So let me try the boot. Yeah, it's not lagging anymore. So all I have to do is to change some stuff like mirror. Oh, mirror. I don't need all this. I just want to be like zebra because I use both of it. Zebras are not back, so I just want to do that. I think just that one, everything seems to be fine. So let's try it. Press W and then shift D. I press X, move W away. Yeah, my demo is working. Hello. I'm writing in my language, so it's supposed to be. I live in Cambodia. Just a hello world. Yeah, that is my language. It's working slow. Right, you can come and test this. I'm in a frozen map. Full, a little bit slow, and video control just a little bit. Normal maps. Okay, depth of fields. Cavity plus I'm in a frozen. Okay, so everything is working. Let's make it into one.